Hello, ladies. Welcome back to the Big Sweep. I'm Kelly, and today, I'll guide you through how to develop the best cleaning routine for your whole house. Whether you're a cleaning pro or just starting out, this 5-day routine will help you keep your home spick and span. We're going to tackle doing one load of laundry per day and cleaning one zone of the house each day for a thorough and manageable routine. Adjust this 5-day routine to fit your own household schedule. Perhaps it works better to clean the kitchen zone on day 1 and do laundry on day 3. Do what is best for your situation. Now, let's jump right in. Alright. Day 1 is all about laundry. We're going to do one load of laundry every day to keep up with the never-ending cycle. Here's how it works. Sort your laundry by dividing your clothes into categories like whites, colors, and delicates. Load the washer. Follow your machine's instructions for detergent and settings. While it's running, take a few minutes to tidy up the laundry room. You could even tackle a project in another zone while the laundry is running, like cleaning the toaster oven or decluttering a closet. By the end of the week, you'll have all your laundry done without being overwhelmed. Day 2 is dedicated to the living room zone. Let's get started. Declutter. Begin by picking up items that don't belong in the living room. Place them in a basket or container of some sort, and put them away when you are done cleaning. If you do it right away, you may become sidetracked with chores in other zones, and not get finished the task at hand. Dust and wipe surfaces. Use a microfiber cloth to clean tables, shelves, and electronics. Vacuum or sweep. Don't forget to get under the furniture. If you have hard floors, don't skip the mopping step. It will give you a polished look. Your living room will be looking spotless in no time. Now, let's tackle the kitchen on day 3. Start with the sink. Clear it out by putting dirty dishes in the dishwasher, or washing them by hand and putting them away. Declutter countertops. Put away any items that are clean. Wash or place the dirty ones in the dishwasher. Wipe down all surfaces, starting with the highest ones first. Don't forget to clean the cabinet doors, backsplash, and appliances. Give the sink a good scrub and shine the faucets. Sweep and mop. Give your kitchen floor a good clean. Your kitchen will be a shining example of cleanliness. Day 4 is all about the bathroom zone. The ensuite and powder room fall on this day too. Clear the counters. Put away toiletries and personal items. Scrub the tub and/or shower and toilet. Don't forget to disinfect. Clean the mirrors and other glass surfaces. Make them sparkle. Clean and disinfect the vanity and any other surfaces. I save the sink for last, just in case I need to use it while cleaning the other fixtures and surfaces. Sweep and mop. Give the floor some love. Your bathroom will be fresh and inviting. Finally, on day 5, we're tackling the bedroom zone. Make the bed with clean sheets. To avoid extra folding, you may want to try doing the bedding as your load of laundry on this day. When the bedding is dry, just make the bed with the same sheets. If you have more than one bed in use, you could combine laundry day with cleaning the bedroom zone. While the bedding is being laundered, you will have time to complete the cleaning chores in all of the bedrooms. Declutter surfaces. Put away any clutter on dressers or nightstands. Vacuum or sweep. Get those dust bunnies under control. Don't forget to mop any hard floors. Your bedroom will be your personal haven. If you choose to combine your laundry day and bedroom day, you will have a spare day in your schedule. You could use the extra day for major projects like cleaning the oven, cleaning the fridge, or doing a deep clean in one of the zones. This has been an example of how to develop the best cleaning routine for your whole house. By breaking it down into manageable daily tasks, you'll keep your home in tip-top shape without feeling overwhelmed. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on keeping your home clean and organized. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you next time for more cleaning and lifestyle hacks.